At 6, we know your child's safety is a top priority, and we're focused on learning what officials are doing to keep them protected while they're at school.
Yeah, it's what we all want. Our Patrick Hayes went to a school safety summit today in Glendale to see what actions our state's top officials are taking to keep all our kids safe.
Some of today's speakers used words like alarming and scary to describe the kinds and the number of threats they're seeing at schools right here in the Valley.
And limited firearm removal.
Attorney General Chris Mays kicking off a two-day event in Glendale.
We have a pretty alarming increase in teen violence in our schools.
The AG's office, Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell, and Maricopa County Sheriff Russ Skinner touching on different topics, including mental health, gun laws, and working together to prevent teen violence and school shootings.
We obviously have the threats of school shootings still out there, and I'm worried it's just only a matter of time before we have one of those school shootings in Arizona.
Earlier this year, Mays tried passing a red flag law that would let schools seek a protection order against anyone threatening a school with a firearm. The bill ended up failing in the legislature, but Mays tells me she plans on bringing it back next year.
It's a very narrowly tailored legislation that would allow us to really kind of seize a firearm for a short period of time when somebody is threatening a school or has made a threat against a school, like the ones we are seeing on social media.
Newly appointed Maricopa County Sheriff Russ Skinner says school safety is a top priority. He says staffing issues make it hard to have a school resource officer at every school, but he is working with districts to offer safety training to educators. He also plans on reintroducing the DARE program.
I think it's actually twofold. It's the old DARE program even addressed bullying, a lot of the other social issues that involve our youth. So I think re-engaging, I know they've revamped the program to be more modernized and in tune with the environment. So I look at it as an opportunity that we can get to some of the younger youth out there in the schools and help provide some education, guidance, and some training.
Skinner and Mays both tell me they plan to take whatever they learned from this summit and incorporate it into some of their plans for the future. Of course, we know this is an issue very important to you, and we promise to stay on it and let you know what does come out of this summit. Reporting in Glendale, Patrick Hayes, ABC 15, Arizona.
Thank